What's good, YouTube? Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another Raw Kitchen Table Talks. In these videos, we get to have these unfiltered, raw conversations. If you're a trader, or you've traded before, or you're planning on becoming a trader, listen to what I'm about to tell you guys. I'm going to solve the mystery of why 95% of traders, and even more, that figure is just random, 95, it's probably even more, are not profitable traders. And it has nothing to do with your ability to make good trades and your ability to make money from trading. Everybody is a good trader, just so you know. Everybody who's watching this has made money trading. Whether it's in stocks, whether it's Forex, whether it's Bitcoin, crypto, futures, anything, options, everybody has made money. That's not the problem. The problem is not being able to make money. Look at YouTube, look at the internet, everybody's making money, right? Now, the question, is it real, is it not? I'll let you deal with that. But everybody's making money, and let's assume everybody has made money. And looking at my chat room, everybody has made money on one stage. The problem of why trading is not profitable for many comes from the individual himself or herself. And it's not a singular problem, by the way, just so you know. It's not like, oh, it's just one person. Every single person watching this has this problem, including me. We're human, unless you're watching this from space and you're an alien. So nobody can come out here and say, no, I'm different. Everybody has this problem, guys. This problem is greed. The core of being a human, greed, which comes from and stems from the unmet desires of wanting more, of not having enough. And we never have enough, right? We're human. We can never have enough. So when we see ourselves up 1,000, 5, 10, we constantly want to keep going and trade more. But we forget that if we keep exposing ourselves to the market, the risk of us giving the money back increase. So the actual problem here is being able to keep the money, not being able to make it. Everybody makes money, but not everybody can hold on to it. So it will take you some real sheer will to close the laptop, walk away. I mean, when was the last time you watched a movie and you seen a bank robber going for the vault? He takes everything in the vault, then he turns his eyes to the cashier. And then you say to yourself, what are you doing? The cops are coming. You should have just run away. Well, guess what? If somebody was watching us from the outside and judging our trading days, he would say the same thing. If you, and I can guarantee you this, if you make money and you're trading today and you have your mother who's not a trader watch over you, and then she sees you make money, you know what she's going to say? She says, give up. It's time to walk away. You've made, walk away. But that's not the mindset of a trader. The mindset of a trader is to want to make every single cent because there's opportunities constantly in the market. From experience, I'll tell you guys, I do not take every opportunity because it's not about the opportunities. It's about exposing myself to the market one more time when I could have just walked away with a clear head, because you got to understand your mindset or your brain capabilities only works for a specific time. After that, it's really just clouded with greed, with all these emotions. After your first trade that you came out successful, now it's clouded with revenge trading, with greed, with everything else that humans have as part of their emotional roller coaster from day to day. So that's the question. Are you able to keep it? Everybody's a good trader, but not everybody's able to hold on to this money. And platforms have figured that out, that you're not able to hold on to this money because of this human element called greed. That's why I've been saying things the last couple of weeks, to actually discourage you from trading. I was trying to discourage you from using certain platforms, because platforms have figured this out, that a person is going to be greedy. Even if we give them some money, they're going to want more. Just like a casino. They give you some money, now you want more. Now you want to keep trading and trading. What happens after that? Well, you keep trading and exposing yourself, and suddenly you're wiped. You've given back the profit that they've given you initially to make you feel like this is something you can make money out of. And then you give back your capital that you used to trade with. That's why they say the house always wins, for that specific reason. So you got to understand that. Yes, it's possible to make money from trading, guys. It's possible to make a lot of money from trading, but you have to understand when to walk away. And even if you understand it and you say, I will be better, and a lot of you will watch this and say, this is a singular thing. It's not going to be me. We all said that. And then when it came to it, we were unable to actually control our emotions. So even if you control your emotions and you understand this element, that you're going to fall into psychological traps, well, the brokers and the platforms have figured this out. They're going to play and use this emotion of yours against you, especially if the platform stands to make money out of you, and that's CFD, spread betting, and whatnot. So you got to be very, very careful with how you do things here. Be very strict with your trades, with your game plan on the day, and most importantly, guys, understand the platforms that you're using. Do not be a little sheep and gullible. And a lot of people in this industry are, right? They think, oh, I make money here and there, but I'm unable to keep it. It must be my problem. Well, yeah, it's probably your problem, but at the same time, the market is just charts and numbers. The market is just there to give us opportunities, and it's our job to take advantage of those. But we cause problems by our greed, and it's very difficult to control this greed, because that's what we're here to do, is make money and keep going and going. But we have to understand when to go in and expose ourselves and when not to, and that's going to be difficult. And even if we can control ourselves, the platforms we use have made the platform so accessible to a point where it costs us nothing to open a trade, and most importantly, guys, it's designed to keep us trading. So that's why I've been warning the last couple of weeks about platforms and whatnot. And that's what you need to understand here. The problem is not about making money. The problem is about keeping it. And that's me done. And hopefully this will help you. Acknowledge this video, guys. Do not think this is just a guy talking. I'm talking here from experience. I've been here doing this for a long time, and I understand this from A to Z. So that's me done. Subscribe to this channel, guys, because we're going to come back with more of these red-pilled videos, not just about trading, about a lot of things, just like the old days. Okay, guys, peace and love as always, and I appreciate you for watching. Bye.